Okay, so I'm now going to show you a recipe for your own sticky glue. Some of you might not have acrylic paint around, but some of you might only have poster paint or tempera paint. So you're going to have a look, see what you've got, and try and make some funky colours from those. So if you don't make sticky paint, the paint could slide off your bottle. Okay, so you need to make sure it's sticky paint that will actually attach itself and becomes more plastic. So in here I've got some PVA glue, all right, which I've added I put into a pot like that, and then I'm going to mix in a colour. All right, so I'm going to mix in this bright, beautiful, bright poster paint and give it a mix. All right, so as you can see, it was about half and half, about 50-50. You need quite a bit of PVA in there. All right, and then when it's really well mixed, then you can start to paint onto your bottles. Remember on the film, I think I mentioned that white is a really good colour to have around because it's going to make everything a lot brighter. So I'm going to add a little bit of white in there as well, okay, so that it just brightens up a bit. I'll mix that in a bit. There we go. Right, so let's see how that goes on our bottle. So we don't have acrylic paint, so we're going to use something else. We've made our own sticky paint. Let's see. Yeah, that's pretty good. It's a nice, strong colour. It's a little bit liquid, this paint, but it should dry absolutely fine. Remember, it won't dry as quickly as acrylic paint does. So just give yourself some time for it to dry. Maybe to paint these in the morning and work on them in the afternoon, or one day and then the next day. All right, so that's a recipe for sticky paint. All right, there you go.